Individuals make choices and trade-offs based on comparisons. When they are trying to decide what is the best choice, depends on those comparisons, one alternative versus the other. Let's think about ordering some fast food. If you go to a restaurant and they have the combo number one, and the combo number one includes a hamburger and some French fries, and the price is $10, then you can take a look at the combo number two. And the combo number two includes the hamburger and the fries and a milkshake, and it's $13. So immediately when you think about it, you say, well, what I'm going to get from those extra $3? A milkshake. So that extra unit of food is going to cost me $3. So the question you're trying to answer is that milkshake worth $3 for me or not? And then you make your choice, you make your decision of combo number one versus combo number two. That's thinking at the margin. At the margin means to think about the next increment, the next unit, that relatively small change, the net addition or subtraction when I make a choice. Marginal thinking helps us understanding puzzles such as why diamonds are so much more expensive than water, given that water is indispensable and essential for life. Right? And their answer is that the marginal utility of water compared to the marginal utility of diamonds decreases way faster. Think about the first glass of water if you're thirsty, very satisfying. Think about the second one. Think about the 20th or 50 glasses of water. Maybe you will be not that happy of getting that 50 glass of water. I don't think about diamonds. What is the marginal utility of that extra unit of diamonds? Right? Probably will not decrease at all. Right? Probably will even increase. What I'm trying to say here is that if you compare the value of the extra unit of water versus the value of the extra unit of diamonds, it is obvious why diamonds are much more expensive than water. Individuals make choices at the margin all the time. This is part of the way we think, even though we don't notice, right? But not only individual decisions such as buying combo number one and combo number two are made thinking at the margin. Business also make decisions with this way of thinking. For example, if a business wants to hire an extra employee, they think exactly about the same way. How much is going to cost me that extra employee? Well, it's going to cost me his or her salary. Well, now I need to compare it versus what? How much is going to produce? What is going to be the value added for having an extra employee? What is his or her marginal production? And then, of course, if his or her marginal production is larger than how much I'm going to pay his or her marginal cost, then it's a good business decision to hire that extra person. These basic tools such as incentives matter, opportunity cost, and thinking at the margin are not substitute. They complement each other. They are intertwined in the way economists see the world. Thus, when somebody is deciding about the combo one versus the combo two and thinking, should I get the milkshake that is worth for me $3 more? She's not only thinking about that extra pleasure that the milkshake is going to give her, but about the opportunity cost of using those $3 to buy that milkshake. And what is the alternative use of those $3? Maybe some popcorn at the movies, maybe candy at the movies, or what have you, right? So at the same time that is thinking at the margin, is thinking at the opportunity cost of that money, how to allocate those resources. So we do that all the time. For a public official, it might be the case that marginal analysis don't come that naturally because there is no that attachment. However, it should, because still there is an alternative use of those public funds. So a public official should think, if I allocate these resources in this project, how much I'm going to get out of it. And maybe I'm not going to get enough, and I should invest that money in somewhere else.